All right, good morning. We're gonna make some buttermilk pancakes this morning. No, we're gonna make buttermilk biscuits this morning. Buttermilk biscuits. Got a lot of buttermilk still left from where we made butter the other day. I always like to do a good breakfast on Sunday morning. So here we go. Biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, buttermilk biscuit time. Woo! I don't have any. Woo! It's just coconut sugar. Biscuit recipe, I always use frozen butter, and that just is going to make them fluffier. This is my bowl of frozen butter. Usually I grate this with a grater, but the last few times I've grated my thumb and it hurts really bad, and so I'm not going to do that again. So I have to take a knife and kind of shred away at it. I'm gonna cut it. This butter in. Now you don't want to add in too much buttermilk because you don't want them too wet. So kind of do enough to do a little bit and then to kind of test it.
You don't want to wait.
Where'd you get it, Tad? No, just use a cup. Okay, we're going to do this for 12 to 14 minutes. I kind of improvised at the end. Instead of rolling back up to make some cleaner cuts, I just formed them myself. So they aren't the prettiest, but they'll eat good. Use any smoke. I didn't hardly use any of this buttermilk. So buttermilk will last a long time in this house. Lots of recipes. I'm gonna make a buttermilk cake this week. That is a goal, to make a buttermilk cake, because that will use a good bit of the buttermilk. And the kids love it.